Here's Lucky the pigeon.
Yeah.
His foot's bent around sideways, right, or completely around to the back of him. See that? His wings are broke, and he's still alive and living well. He needs pigeon food, and any other donations would be great. Where do they send them to? Send them to Dave Roy, 35 Bayview Street, apartment 8. Any donation, just put them in an envelope and mail them. We'd greatly appreciate it. He's gonna be a good pigeon one day.
His legs.
See his leg?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It's almost like he was born like that, you know?
Yeah. A cat got him, that's why he's like that.
That's it. Dislocated his whole
It did
leg.
something to him, yeah. Lucky the pigeon, that's what we'll call him. Send food and anything else you wanna that a pigeon could imagine to have.
He does the sideways scuffle.
He did. The sideways scuffle, he says. Look how happy he is, though.
You chirping?
Look how happy he is.
Still got some good flight with those wings.
Oh, yeah, he does.
There you go.
And that's Lucky the pigeon.
Want to say hi? Say hi.
Send me food and money. Mostly money, though. I'm a greedy pigeon.